Shijiazhuang Tianjinsheng Non-Woven Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise that integrates scientific research, production and sales. The company occupies an area of 38,000 square meters and employs over 100 individuals. We remain committed to our foundational principle of craftsmanship cultivates quality and service facilitates future progress while consistently advancing technological innovation. Our organization has successfully obtained various international system certifications, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and FSC. We possess fully independent research and development capabilities and have implemented technologically advanced production lines and electronic control systems, achieving comprehensive computerized automated control throughout our processes. Our annual production capacity is approximately 30,000 tons. Our core offerings encompass automotive industrial filter paper and base paper tailored for non-woven wallpaper, widely applied in automotive air filters, oil filters, fuel filters, as well as wallpaper production. We provide tailored customization services catering to the unique needs of our customers. We eagerly anticipate partnering with you for joint growth and mutual prosperity.